Welcome back to the 5-Minute Show, where we're diving deep into the art of building profound connections with your partner. In today's quick but powerful episode, we're uncovering the 10 ways to connect more deeply with your partner. Whether you're navigating the early stages of love or looking to strengthen the bond you've built, these insights are your golden ticket to a richer, more fulfilling relationship. Number 1, active listening. Listen actively to your partner by giving them your full attention. When they talk, really show them that you are interested. Look at them, nod, and respond with care. This tells them you're fully into the conversation. Repeat back what they say to show you understand and care about their feelings. Doing this builds trust and makes your bond stronger. So when your partner talks, give them the attention they deserve, and you'll find your connection growing deeper. Number 2, share vulnerabilities. Open up to your partner. Sharing fears, dreams, and vulnerabilities builds trust and intimacy. Inviting them into your world fosters a deeper connection. Being honest creates a safe space for both of you, nurturing a stronger, more trusting bond. Embrace your genuine self. It strengthens your relationship remarkably. Number 3, quality time. Make sure to spend quality time together, sharing joyful activities. Whether it's a hobby, a walk, Oregon cooking, these experiences strengthen bonds. Quality time deepens connection, fostering togetherness. Prioritize these moments for a resilient, happy relationship. Number 4, express appreciation. Take a moment to express your thanks and show appreciation to your partner on a regular basis. Notice and acknowledge the little things they do that bring positivity to your life. Whether it's a kind gesture, a supportive act, or again, simply their presence, letting them know you appreciate these aspects reinforces the bond between you two. Regular expressions of gratitude create a positive atmosphere, making your partner feel valued and strengthening the connection you share. Number 5, communicate openly. Encourage open, honest communication. Share thoughts and feelings, creating a comfortable space for your partner too. This builds trust, understanding, and a relationship based on transparency. Keep communication flowing for a healthy, thriving connection. Number 6, learn love languages. Understanding love languages unlocks your partner's heart. Cater to preferences like words, service, gifts, time, Oregon touch. Speaking the same language fosters harmony, fulfills emotional needs, and nurtures a profound, loving bond. Number 7, celebrate small achievements together. Acknowledge and celebrate each other's achievements, big or small. Being cheerleaders creates a supportive bond, fostering pride and a shared sense of accomplishment. This support nurtures encouragement and unity, creating a positive, uplifting connection. Number 8, apologize and forgive. Offer sincere apologies and embrace forgiveness. Grudges hinder growth. Forgiveness promotes healing and mutual progress. Everyone makes mistakes. Apologizing and forgiving fosters understanding and resilience, nurturing positive relationship evolution through acceptance. Number 9, surprise and spontaneity. Keep the excitement alive in your relationship by injecting surprises and spontaneity. Surprise your partner with a spontaneous date, a thoughtful gesture, Oregon, an unplanned weekend getaway. These surprises add a touch of excitement and keep the spark alive in your relationship. Embracing spontaneity fosters a sense of adventure and novelty, making your connection more vibrant. So, don't be afraid to shake things up and add a dash of surprise. It's the secret ingredient to keeping your relationship fun, fresh, and full of positive energy. Number 10, plan for the future. Engage in discussions about your shared future. Planning together for common goals and aspirations creates a sense of unity and commitment to a shared journey. By aligning your visions for the future, you not only strengthen your bond, but also foster a deep sense of partnership. Whether it's making plans for a home, family, Oregon, shared adventures, having these conversations solidifies your commitment and helps both of you navigate the path ahead with a shared sense of purpose and excitement. So keep those future talks flowing. They're the building blocks of a strong and enduring relationship. Thanks for joining us on today's quick journey into deeper connections. If you enjoyed these 10 ways to strengthen your bond, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more relationship gems. Until our next episode, keep building those meaningful connections in your life.